Hello and welcome back to Bunnex Investment Group. In this video, we are going to talk about rules on how to become a consistent trader. You will need to watch till the end to fully comprehend everything that we'll talk about, all the actionable steps that we'll actually review. But before we jump into the whole video, be sure to check out our free Telegram channel where we share free signals, setups, as well as advice using the link in the description box below. Please do not fall for anyone who provides a WhatsApp number or any Telegram link in the comment section. They are all scammers, and forewarned is forearmed. So who this video is for? If you have the following problems in your trading, please watch this video seriously and take note of all the actionable steps that we'll talk about. So if you cannot trade the same style for at least 5 trades, this video is for you. By same style, we mean after 3 or 4 trades, you start to tweak, maybe change from one strategy to another. You cannot maintain the same risk on each trade. That is, if we look at your trading statement, we see at one point you lost $1,000, at another point you lost $5,000, and at another point $50,000. This video is for you. So you want to get a trade every day. If you are someone who wants to get a trade every day, this video is also for you, and you stare at the charts after every entry that you take. Then last but not least, you want every trade to be a winner. And in this case, you do everything in your power to make each and every trade into a winner. If needs be, you actually remove the stop losses and let that losing trade run until it turns to be a winner. So if this or any one of these points define how you are trading, you need to watch this video till the end. So here's what we'll talk about. We'll simply talk about how to be patient in trading and give you an actionable step that you can follow on a daily basis to be patient in your trading. Then how to be disciplined in trading. So in trading, we are not only confined in Forex trading, but we are actually taking it as a broad operation. That is taking trades in indices, taking trades in Forex, in cryptocurrencies, anything that can be traded. You need to follow the actionable steps that we'll talk about. And then the last but not least, the conclusion, where we will sum up everything that we have talked about in these 2 parts. So first and foremost, and before we talk about how you can be patient and disciplined, you first need a system to follow. So this system will be something that already defines what you look for in the market. So whenever you go within the markets, you need to have something that you are looking for. You actually need to have something that you stalk the market for. And if you don't, we have one. You just need to contact us through any of the links in the description box below. So the first thing that we are going to talk about is how to be patient in trading. So before we talk much on how to be patient, we need to define what patience is. So trading patience is the capacity to tolerate delay or suffering without engaging into a trade. How much can you handle before you feel the battle to trigger a trade? And this calls us to look at the markets without doing anything while waiting for our predefined set. So these two are actually defining what patience is, but we haven't yet given you the step on how to become patient. So during this period, there is more like a fight or a battle within ourselves to pull a trigger. I'm sure if you have traded enough, you know this experience whereby you stare at the markets and they are not giving you anything. They are actually dry. Probably it's now 2 days before you took a trade, and you are asking yourself, am I trading the right strategy, or am I trading the rightful methodology? And you force yourself to get into the market. So the biggest question is, how can I be patient? I'm sure everyone wants to know how they can be patient. Some are good traders. Some can actually trade theoretically, but practically they cannot. Why? Because they are not patient. So here is the actionable step to be a patient trader. So patience is a point where your mind is in an idle state. When we are saying you are patient, you are simply waiting, doing nothing. And within that point, your mind is in an idle state. And this is a vulnerable state that gives room to thoughts of getting a trade immediately. That is where fear of missing out will kick in, and now you take a trade outside your defined parameters. So being patient as a trader will require your effort. I don't want to lie that it's something that can be attained by being taught, or that can be attained by being told anything, but it actually requires your effort. You need, as you are watching this video, you need to actually promise yourself to put in effort to become a patient trader. So this effort is required to keep lighting up your mind awareness that no matter what, the predefined setup will definitely show up. So you need to keep on reminding yourself that the markets were there since the 90s, and they are still there. We are in the 21st century, and they will keep on being there. Therefore, the setups or the predefined trading opportunities that you once backtested earlier would remain coming. So it might take 4 days, it might take 3 days, it might take a week or two before that opportunity comes. So if you keep on reminding your mind, keeping that awareness, you will find that you will be patient. So how exactly, or in summary, what exactly are we saying? So our actionable step to be a patient trader is to keep reminding ourselves that setups or trading opportunities comes at their time, not your time. In short, we are saying to help keep this awareness, make this your trading mantra. By trading mantra, we are saying it's something that you keep on saying or uttering within yourself. Keep on reminding that yourself that setups or trading opportunities come at their time, not your time. Then how to be a disciplined trader is the second part on what we are going to be talking about in this video. So there is a popular saying that says the power to achieve anything lies in how much discipline you put. If you want to achieve anything, it might be working out, it might be trying to lose weight, you'd find out that anything that is termed success will need you to be disciplined. So this goes to traders who write their trading plan, print them, or even tattoo themselves, but find themselves violating everything written down. So this is what we call lack of discipline. At one point, you have reached a state of giving up because you can trade very well. You have the greatest strategy, but after 3 or 5 trades, you throw everything away. This is exact lack of discipline. So someone who hasn't traded enough, this doesn't mean anything. This actually means to someone who has been in this game for quite a long period of time, and what I'm talking about really applies to them. So here is the actionable step to be a disciplined trader. Actually, there's a mistake here. To be a disciplined trader. So trading discipline is essentially your consistent ability to control your trading actions. Are you able to keep on following the same rules over and over again? So as mentioned earlier, a trading plan is required which governs how and when you execute your trade. So discipline will call for you to be able to follow that plan without deviation. The biggest reason why we deviate from trading the plan is that we do not have anyone to hold us accountable. So Forex, as I once said, is a very easy, difficult job. By easy, we say to jump into the Forex market, it's very easy. There are a few steps. Open a broker fund, that broker account, and then you have access to the markets. But making money out of that account is very, very difficult because there is usually no one to hold us accountable. So some students who I have taught in one-on-one format have managed to be disciplined traders over time, because I will be asking why they took every trade and hold them accountable. So what are we saying? The actionable step is get a trading coach who can hold you accountable for each and every action you take in trading. So the first thing is, after getting a coach, basically he will be following up on each and every trade that you have taken, and you are less likely to cheat on your goals if you have someone you admire who is watching. And lastly, on this part, have a mentor set a goal alongside you. So in conclusion, we are saying trading is a business that requires dedication. That's not a lie. If you really want to change your odds, take a period of meditation. Go somewhere quiet and think what you really want to achieve. You have that dream, you want the freedom, but it comes at a cost. The two actionable steps we laid are: have an awareness patience mantra every day, that trade opportunities comes at their time, not your time. Then 2, get a trading coach who can hold you accountable for each and every action you take in trading to concrete your discipline. So these are the 2 simple steps that you can follow to be very good in your trading psychology. On that note, we come to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.